My name is Don Alper, and I'm the director of the Center for Canadian American Studies and the Border Policy Research Institute. I'm also a professor in the Political Science Department. The Border Policy Research Institute was created because of the importance of the border to both Canada and the United States, but particularly to Washington State. This institute began with a major federal grant from the U.S. Department of Transportation. It is important that the university, given its proximity to the border and the kinds of resources we have here in terms of faculty who know something about Canada and Canada-U.S. relations, that we try to develop strong research emphasis in this area. The border is such an important gateway of commerce for the state of Washington. And this particular gateway, north of Bellingham in Blaine, is the third busiest border crossing along the Canada-U.S. border. So from the point of view of trade, particularly and security, the border is very, very important. And Canada is Washington's second largest trading partner. A lot of people don't know that. It's actually second after Japan. And it's our first largest export partner. There's an enormous amount of container traffic, for example, that comes into the Port of Vancouver, and it gets loaded on trucks, and it tends to sort of turn right in Vancouver and come south into Washington. Probably the largest portion goes to other destinations in the United States. So this is an enormously important commercial lifeline for the state of Washington. Well, tourism fits in with trade, but it's not the same. Tourism's been down in both directions, really. We think it has something to do with 9/11 and the new security protocols that have been put at the border, which makes it a little bit harder to cross and a little less comfortable to cross. The relationship between tourism and security and the Olympics is a very interesting one, because all of these things have to be worked on together. We want the Olympics to be successful, which means the Canadians and Washington State need to work together on a whole range of issues. The last thing anybody wants is the whole world, when they watch the Olympic Games, to be seeing long lines at the Washington-Canada border. And so we're very interested in the actual management of the border and the kinds of programs that are in place or could be in place that would make the border more efficient and allow those goods and people to move back and forth more efficiently.